Welcome to John's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a walnut and cheese omelette. Just a touch of olive oil and it's a handful of walnuts. Cranberry Stilton, but of course you can use any Stilton of your choosing. Just break it up and just add it in all together. Nice thing about this cheese, it doesn't necessarily, it melts, but it's not so integrating as maybe some other cheeses. But of course I'll let you all use your discretion to which cheese you wish to use. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place it onto a plate. See that? Nice and smooth. Here is a walnut omelette with cheese. It's very nice. The walnut is very complimentary, more so with the cranberry cheese, but of course, please use your own initiative and whichever cheese you fancy, you add it to it. If you like what I'm doing, love what I'm doing, like it, share it and subscribe. Thank you for visiting me at John's Kitchen. Thank you.